Dear fellow citizens, today the 1st of July 2024 will be the first day that the taxation laws will be put into place. I want to re-echo, at one point in MTN there was a guy who says taxes, taxes everywhere. It is indeed. In Uganda, whether you are walking, you are taxed. You are eating, you are taxed. You are traveling, you are taxed. You are sheltering yourself, you are taxed. You are hospitalized, you are taxed. Taxes everywhere. I think the only free thing which we have in our country, Uganda, is a fundamental heir given to us by God that is not taxable. Now, let's check what these taxes will do. The collection is kicking up tomorrow. Let's see. Do we have qualitative services? This is a challenge to you, to everybody. I thank you.